Most babies can sleep through the night. Try telling Lynn and Russell. They're up all night listening to this. But they were doing something wrong. What was it? Do you make the same mistake? And a baby deprived of love and affection can be scarred forever. How do you make sure that your baby is emotionally healthy like this one?
Such a nice baby.
Join John Stossel and a host of parents, toddlers, babies, experts, and research cameras that will make you laugh and help you cope with some of baby care's biggest challenges. What's a parent to do?
Good evening, I'm John Stossel. Hugh and Barbara turned the program over to me tonight because of the special focus of our broadcast. Over the years on 2020, we've done several reports on the trauma of raising kids, and we're surprised at the response we got. Thousands of you wrote. Some said hearing what the experts said made raising your kids easier.